The Bachelor of Occupational Therapy degree is designed to equip students with a comprehensive understanding of the occupational therapy profession and prepare them for the diverse challenges and rewards of helping individuals achieve greater independence and quality of life. Occupational therapists make a profound difference in people's lives by helping them achieve independence in their daily activities, like helping them recover from injury to performing basic tasks. Occupational therapists use creative and adaptive approaches to modify tasks or environments to enable their clients live more independently. This creativity makes the job both challenging and rewarding.